finally, friend, I am reaching to Marina Beach. So let's come. I will show you. So people they live here, they know already, and this is the largest icon of Dubai. So you can see here, my friends, there is all the people here. So they are enjoying here. This is the most favorite and very beautiful place of Dubai. Now the sun is setting, so if you will want to see the view, you can come this time. So this time is sun is setting, so it's really nice, amazing view.